Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the fuse for the power lift gate for the trunk is located on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps me out a lot. So first we need to pop our hood. Now we are going to open this fuse box right here. You pinch these two tabs and lift. And there is a diagram on the back side of this lid here, and that will tell you that this 40 amp box fuse right here is the fuse for your power lift gate for your trunk. So this is the fuse that you're after, this 40 amp box fuse right there. So I will have some Amazon affiliate links in the description where you can get new fuses on Amazon if you want to check those out. But I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.